Hi everyone, my name is Yash Patel and I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University and I am currently in second year. As a dedicated student, I am very passionate about fostering growth and knowledge within my communities. I have taken the initiative to lead various events aimed at enhancing the skills of my peers through these endeavors. I have come to appreciate the invaluable resources provided by online platforms which have played a pivotal role in supporting and enriching our learning experience. Among the multitude of online sites available, three have emerged as my top favorite for technical content assistant. These platforms not only offer comprehensive resources but also foster a vibrant community that encourages collaborating and continuous learning. The first one is Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow stands out as go-to destination for technical problem solving. It is a extensive repository of question and answer covers a wide array of programming language and technologies. I appreciate the platform community driven approach where users actively contribute their expertise to address queries and share insight. The platform reputation system ensures that high quality content rises to the top of making it reliable sources for resolving technical challenges and staying update on industry best practice. Next one is GitHub. Basically, GitHub serves as more than just a version control system. It is a hub for collaboration and learning within the developer community. Beyond hosting content code repositories, GitHub offers a platform for educational resources including guide, tutorial, and projects showcase. I particularly value its role in facilitating open source contribution, allowing me not to only access valuable code bases but also contribute to programs that are aligned to the projects. Next one is Medium. Basically, Medium provides a diverse range of technical articles and tutorials and authored by industry experts and enthusiasts alike. I appreciate the platform accessible writing style and the depth of insight offered across various technical domains. From software development to data science and beyond, Medium personalized recommendation system helps me discover relevant content tailored to my interest and skill level, ensuring a constant influx of fresh perspective and learning opportunities. In summary, these three online platforms Stack, Overflow, GitHub, and Medium have been instrumental in my journey. As a student leader seeking to empower my community through the skill building events, their wealth of technical content and supportive communities have enriched my learning experiences and empower me to make meaningful contribution to the ever evolving field of technology.